Right now, there are millions of people opening Claude every day, asking it random questions, generating random content, playing around with prompts, and then closing their laptops wondering why their bank account hasn't changed. Meanwhile, there are people using the exact same technology to create products, attract customers, and generate income. The difference isn't the AI, the difference is what you're doing with it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how Claude AI helped me make over $1,000 in one weekend, the process I followed, what I use Claude for, and most importantly, how someone starting from scratch can copy the same strategy without needing to learn coding, build softwares, or spend years becoming an expert in a specific field. My name's Fred. I've been selling digital products online for years, and AI has dramatically increased the speed at which I'm able to create content, launch products, and grow my business. I've made over $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours, and tools like Claude have become part of my daily workflow. So when I talk about how to make money with AI, I'm not just talking about some theory I read in a book. I'm talking about how I actually use these tools every single day. And if you want to get my free course that shows you how to make money online with AI and digital products, the link for that is in the description below this video. Before I explain exactly what happened, there's something important you need to understand. If you don't understand that, nothing else matters. Most people are looking for ways to make money directly from AI. They want AI to be the business. They want some magical prompts that print money. They want some hidden automation that runs by itself while they're sleeping. That's not exactly how it works. Claude is a tool. That's it. A very powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. The real money comes from creating a product people are willing to pay for. And that's where almost everyone goes wrong. They spend weeks, even months, even years learning AI instead of using AI. But AI is changing all the time. They spend months consuming content instead of creating digital products. They become experts at prompts but never build anything valuable. Customers don't care about AI directly. Do you think when people see an ad, they're like, oh, this is great because it's made with AI? They don't care. Customers care about outcomes. They want to solve their problems. They want to save time, make more money, learn certain skills. They want results. They want better relationships, etc. And once you understand that, it's business 101, the opportunity becomes obvious. When I generated over $1,000 during that weekend, I wasn't selling Claude. I wasn't selling prompts. I wasn't selling AI tools. And I wasn't selling my time. I was selling a digital product that helped people to achieve a specific result. And Claude helped me accelerate the creation process. I used it to brainstorm ideas. I used it to organize information, to structure lessons, to improve my explanations, make them simpler for people to understand. What would have taken me months without AI, I could do in a week. Instead of spending hours staring at the blank screen, wondering where to start, I had an intelligent assistant helping me move through every stage of the process. And that's where I think people underestimate tools like Claude. The value isn't necessarily that it does everything for you. The value is that it removes friction. It helps you go from an idea to a finished product much faster than ever before. This is where things get interesting, because once I realized how powerful Claude was for organizing information and creating content, I started asking myself a different question. What business model benefits the most from this? And the answer always kept coming back to digital products, more specifically online courses. Think about it. If you're selling a service, every new customer creates more work. If you're freelancing, every dollar is tied to your time. If you're running an agency, every client creates more responsibility. But when you create a digital product, you're building an asset. You create it once and you can potentially sell it over and over again. That's leverage. And when AI dramatically reduces the amount of time needed to create that asset, the economics become incredibly attractive. Instead of spending months building a course, you can use Claude to accelerate the entire process. Research becomes faster, planning becomes faster, writing becomes faster, structuring the course becomes quicker as well. Everything becomes quicker. Now this is usually where people stop listening because they immediately think, that's great, Fred, but I don't have anything worth teaching. And yes, that used to be an actual obstacle in the past, but nowadays with AI, it's just an excuse. Now, let me be clear for a second. You should not pretend to be a doctor if you're not one. You should not teach legal advice if you're not legally qualified to do so. There are obvious fields where expertise actually matters, but outside of those few specific situations, there are thousands of topics where the information already exists. The challenge isn't discovering information. The challenge is organizing information. Think about learning a new language. Think about productivity. Think about building muscle or losing weight. Think about learning how to use a software, content creation, marketing, AI tools themselves. The internet already contains more information than any human could consume in a lifetime. Claude can help you gather that information, simplify it, and organize it. It can help you turn scattered information into a structured step-by-step roadmap people can follow. That is what people pay for. You're not inventing knowledge, you're packaging knowledge. People don't pay for information anymore because information is everywhere. But they're overwhelmed because there's so much information. That's the point. They pay for clarity, for structure, for simplicity, for a roadmap. It's literally the same reason why people buy sandwiches at the supermarket instead of buying all the separate ingredients and making the sandwich themselves. People pay for a shortcut to save time, for convenience, and get results faster. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Another thing I learned is that you don't necessarily need to become some massive influencer to make this work. A lot of people think they need perfect confidence, perfect speaking skills, a perfect camera setup, which is extremely expensive, and tens of thousands of followers before they can sell anything. Well, that is simply not true. Now, it's true that building a personal brand is one of the most powerful things you can do because trust becomes easier to build. People buy from people. But it's not the only path anymore. AI avatars and AI voices are insanely good right now. You can create educational content without showing your face if that's what you want. In fact, AIs often beat humans for getting attention on social media. You can build YouTube channels, you can create educational videos. The important thing isn't whether your face appears on camera. People don't care about that. The important thing is whether you're helping someone solve a problem. That's what customers care about. Results, not necessarily production quality or expensive equipment. Do you care about the price of my camera? No, you care about results. What's ironic is that the biggest obstacle isn't technology. The biggest obstacle is distraction. Every week there's a new AI tool. Every week there's a new AI trend. Every week somebody claims they've discovered the next revolutionary AI business model. And people keep jumping from opportunity to opportunity without ever building anything. They spend their time chasing shortcuts instead of creating assets. Meanwhile, the people quietly making money are often doing something incredibly boring. They're identifying problems, creating solutions, packaging knowledge into online courses. They're helping people to achieve specific outcomes. And they're using AI to accelerate the entire process. That's it. It's not magic. There isn't some secret prompt that makes you rich overnight. There isn't a hidden hack. We simply use technology to be more productive. So when people ask me how Claude AI helped me make over 1K in one weekend, the answer is actually much simpler than they expect. Claude didn't make me the money. Claude helped me create value faster. It helped me organize information faster. It helped me build products faster. It helped me move from idea to execution faster. And that is where the real opportunity is. Not in obsessing over AI prompts, not in chasing every new tool that launches. The opportunity is using AI to create things that solve real problems. Whether that's through a personal brand or an AI avatar, the principle remains exactly the same. Find a problem. It could be in any niche, even helping someone to play video games. I know a guy who makes 20 grand a month doing that. You create a solution, you package the knowledge, help people achieve an outcome. That's it. And you let AI accelerate every step of the process. That's the strategy that helped me generate over $1,000 in a weekend. And if I were starting from zero today, this is exactly the strategy I would use. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.